Right now I'll just quickly show you how to reassemble it, but it's just basically everything backwards in reverse. So you just place your joystick there. Make sure you have that in place, line it up. Then you can screw that down. Okay. After that, get the metal spacer, line it up. Go. Now after you line it up, take your logic board, align it with the USB port on top and the hole for it. Gently put it in. Make sure you have your UMD ribbons above the logic board when you put it in, so you won't cut any off by accident or damage them. Okay. Make sure the logic board is seated correctly into the frame, which it should be, and reconnect the UMD. Okay, once those are in, you can reconnect your power charger first by just plugging it back in. Back in there. And then you put the wire through the clips right there. And then you can slide the yellow thingy back to where it goes. Okay, here, click, take the screw, screw it back. Okay, now take your power chip, the select on-off switch basically, and I find it easier to put it back if you do it like this. Zoom in. Okay, so it's easier if you just lift that up and then connect the ribbon wire first. Close it, clamp it down so it's locked into place, and then you put the chip back by sliding the bottom part into the space first, and then place it down. Alright, sorry guys, my battery died. Anyway, so after you connect that ribbon to the chip for your on-off switch, you just screw it down here, right there. Put your screw in. It's kind of hard doing it around the camera, sorry. Okay, so after you screw that in, okay, after you screw that in, you can replace your left trigger now, your left button over here. So first, you're gonna have to take your D-pad along with the right trigger button here, replace that, put that there, and like same way as you took it out, you're gonna have to pull this out a little bit, and just set it in there so it sits nicely and snug. Okay, now before you screw anything down, you're going to want to put this ribbon cable back into where it belongs. Take my tweezers. gentle with it, don't want to break anything. Okay, tab. And now you can put your screws back. First, take your trigger, put it back here in place. Place the white part over it. Go. Take your screw, reattach it. Right there. Okay, now you want to screw the bottom of it right there. Reassemble that. Okay. And now you're ready to start putting back your screen. So, zoom out. There you go. Now take your screen and plug it in to where they go. Okay. That was 52. There you go. Okay, now once that's in, you want to take your metal bar, line it up. Okay, and you can flip your screen back so it lies flat with it. And now you want to take your ribbon cable, put underneath. Slide that into place. After you've connected all the ports, what you want to do now, the ribbon cable and the screen, what you want to do now is make sure that everything is fine. So I'm going to put this little rubber protective thing back over the speaker. Okay. Now flip the screen back. Make sure everything is locked into place. Great. Now what you want to do is set the faceplate onto the frame. Make sure everything's lined up correctly. Now you want to put your screws back. Okay. Don't want to over tighten these, otherwise you're going to strip the screw. Can't open it again. Okay. And now you're done. SpyX1007, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and like to stay updated for other upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.